Welcome to Next Level English. Today, we'll test your knowledge with 35 MCQs on phrasal verbs. Get ready to master these everyday English expressions and level up your language skills. 1. What does pick up mean? To lift something. Tips: it can mean learning something new or collecting items. 2. Choose the correct use of get along. I get along with my coworkers very well. Tips: get along means to have a harmonious relationship. 3. What does run out of mean? To finish something. Tips: this is used when supplies are depleted. 4. What does turn down mean? To refuse. Tips: commonly used when rejecting offers politely or firmly. 5. What does set off mean? To start a journey. Tips: frequently associated with travel or initiating a process. 6. What does breakdown mean? To stop functioning. Tips: commonly describes mechanical or emotional failure. 7. What does run out of mean? To exhaust a supply. Tips: describes a lack or depletion of resources. 8. What does come across mean? To meet by chance. Tips: used to describe accidental encounters. 9. What does take up mean? To begin a new activity. Tips: refers to adopting a new skill or hobby. 10. What does workout mean? To solve a problem. Tips: frequently used in solving problems or exercising. 11. What does hold on mean? To wait. Tips: implies staying on hold, especially on calls. 12. What does fill in mean? To complete a form. Tips: often refers to filling official documents. 13. What does get along with mean? To have a good relationship. Tips: describes compatibility with someone socially. 14. What does look forward to mean? To anticipate positively. Tips: used when expressing excitement about future events. 15. What does bring up mean? To mention a topic. Tips: used for introducing topics in conversations. 16. What does make up mean? To fabricate. Tips used to describe creating a story or excuse. 17. What does breakdown mean? To stop functioning. Tips commonly used for machines or vehicles. 18. What does run into mean? To meet unexpectedly. Tips this is used for unexpected encounters. 19. What does come across mean? To find by chance. Tips it means finding something by accident. 20. What does bring up mean? To mention. Tips often used when introducing a topic in conversation. 21. What does giveaway mean? To distribute. Tips this phrase is often used for charitable actions. 22. What does set up mean? To establish. Tips it's frequently used when creating or initiating something. 23. I need to. My application before submitting it. Look over. Tips look over means to examine something quickly. 24. The company plans to. A new product next year. Bring out. Tips bring out means to launch or introduce a product. 25. She. The job offer because of the low salary. Turn down. Tips turn down means to refuse or reject something. 26. Can you? The music? It's too loud. Turn down. Tips turn down means to reduce the volume. 27th. I'm trying to. A new language. Pick up. Tips pick up means to learn something new. 28. The car. Suddenly in the middle of the road. Broke down. Tips break down means to stop functioning. 29. They decided to. The meeting until next week. Put off. Tips put off means to postpone or delay something. 30. He's going to. The problem with his boss. Take up. Tips take up means to discuss or address. 31. The fire. Very quickly last night. Broke out. Tips break out means to start suddenly. 32. We have to. Early tomorrow for the trip. Get up. Tips: get up means to wake up and leave bed. 33. The police are trying to. The truth. Find out. Tips: find out means to discover or learn. 34. He had to. The difficult situation. Deal with. Tips: deal with means to handle or manage a situation. 35. They. Each other after many years. Came across. Tips: come across means to meet or find someone by chance. How many did you get right? Drop your answers in the comments below, and if you enjoyed this quiz, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more English tips. See you in the next lesson.